Welcome back. We're about to take us a little trip over to Shady Grove, Florida. Little town in between Perry and Greenville, on the county line between Taylor County, Florida and Madison County, Florida. Supposed to be a little car show over there today with some antiques, maybe some tractors, not sure. Little town. As far as I know, this is the first event they've had like that. So may not turn out to be much, may turn out. Let's take a little trip over there and see what they got going on. Got a couple of the grandbabies with me. Let's get on over there. Look like they're already out here lining them up. Getting them ready.
I'm saving those now.
I'm playing.
Y'all can go play if you want to. Look at the old whiskey jug.
Yeah, it's cracked and everything. Don't touch it.
Yeah, don't touch the cars.
What are you doing?
Y'all ain't going, huh?
We're going to film the Queen, Papa.
All right, baby. It's a pretty ride, ain't it, Blake? I love these old cars.
I let it sit there in the yard. We had the tires up, tires stayed aired up. I was going to clean it. I was going to clean the gas chains off.
Yes.
I drove it back to
That's a clean motor, ain't it?
all I liked was
Look at the battery on it. See the battery on it? Oh, it's got state on it too?
That's the original sales sticker.
She sold whatever. So she makes them things. Will, he loves old cars like this.
Does he? Good to see you, Mr. Walt.
That's why I take a picture.
Look, you saw that yellow car?
I did. There's gonna be some more show up.
Wait, you need to look at the yellow car.
I'm gonna take a picture.
The yellow car.
Yeah.
Well, that's warm. That's good.
They were in front of us when we came in. Look at that old dash in the wood grain.
You know how one is. Wait till
This
we
is
get
back before they made everything out of plastic.
You're not gonna YouTube
Yeah.
I just need your YouTube name on that. I'll let you put it in on my type in on my phone.
Yeah.
My YouTube thing. You can type it in on there.
Kay's got the American flag around the blower.
Yes. Look at that. That's what I want. The window kind of a little bit burned into it, or whatever it is.
Yeah, that's strange, ain't it? All right, baby.
Very kind of like oily. I never seen a mother like that. Very old. Oh, they do this stuff. You can get a trophy.
El Camino Super Sport.
That's not.
Thank you. I don't drink, I don't do drugs, and this is my addiction.
There you go. That's a better addiction.
At least I have something to show for it. Well, yeah. Three smokers, small block.
It's nice, ain't it?
That's an El Camino. Oh my God.
Nice and clean, too. Look at the interior.
Watch out.
That's sweet, ain't it?
Oh, it's a Willie bar, Bubba. You know what that car was made for?
Running.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't have nothing on my gas. More than just that one.
That's the nitrous bottles and the fuel tank.
There's 4 feet of tire underneath it in the back. 22.5 inches each.
That's sweet.
Driving down the interstate, if I punch it, it'll break them loose in overdraft.
We would love this.
Yeah, it would. Look, see, you got the roll cage inside of it. In case you wreck it.
Oh, look at it.
871
It is not.
All right.
You can tell that car was made
I
for
appreciate
that.
everybody being here.
Yeah.
What car was it?
Let's see what you ready for your Sparrow? Something on blower, 250 shot of nitrous.
interior, right?
That's the only different color. This?
It's the color you do the hybrid. I consider that too, but I figured it both
That'll work.
Oh, yeah. Keeps front tires from coming up.
Let me walk. Got the 66 Cabell.
That's some thick tires in the back of that yellow one.
To give it more grip. I like the tinted windows on this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you YouTube when you get done doing all that editing and stuff. I'm gonna watch it too. He got the good angles on it. Though. I was trying to get perfect angle on the wheel. We'll love that.
Not yet.
Are we allowed to drive this around here?
Don't get much simpler than that. Carlo, little Monte Carlo. Some clean car.
I think you gotta put the number in there.
You can vote if you want to, Papa.
Oh, no, numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, you ain't got a bidder number. You want to bid on the cake, you want to keep it. Pam, you ready to get started? Okay, where's our report?
Papa, what's my tip?
I'll give them to you in a minute.
Okay, come on.
Anybody want to be $20? Can you give me $20? Got $20 right here. 25. Anybody want to be 25? Can you do 25? Will you do 25? Let's do 25. Got 25. You have to hold that where I can see it now. 25, now 30. Do you want to be? So, DeWitt, Andrews, what's your number, DeWitt? Okay, next cake auction. Don't say what kind of cake it is. All right, how about a $20 bill? Anybody want to be 20? Can you give me $20 in the bid? Now 20, got 20, now 5.
Turned out to be a really awesome event there at the Shady Grove Community Center. Not a pile of cars showed up. I had expected more, but some really nice ones did show up. Really well organized, had great food. You bought a brisket sandwich, bag of chips, and a bottle of water for $5. You just can't beat that. Had a cake auction. Everything was really nice. We left early, around noon. Still a lot of live music coming. So all in all, I'd say it was pretty successful. Was kind of surprised at the low turnout, but maybe it'll get better next time. We appreciate y'all following along.